Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching how to draw a pie chart in Figma. So basically we are going to be starting with picking shapes here. So in this place that you can see my cursor, I come here. This is where we have shapes, shape tools. You can click on this to see all the shapes. So presently I'm going to be using Eclipse. That's the second. I'll pick on it, then I'll draw this. So then I come to my right hand side to ensure that um, my shapes, I come here and I ensure that the wings and the height are of the same size. So the wings, I can decide to use 100, then the height, I want it to be the same size as well. So let's use the same 100, 100, 100. So then next thing is changing the color, the fill color. So I'll be using something here. Let me use 400. So we have 400 here. So I'll be explaining two variants of two different types of pie charts. We have one here, and so we are going to um come here, and this is it. We're going to adjust this. We're going to adjust using this. Your hand here, then you on your laptop you use control. So on your keyboard you drag this down here, and you also, this is the ratio. But you another alternative way is to come and use this place, but I prefer using this is the ratio. You can use the ratio. I do not want to use a full pie chart. I want to use something like this. I think this is okay. Then we have sweep, we have start, we have sweep. So start is to move the pie chart, while sweep is to reduce the size of the pie. So here we have it, start. You can navigate through here. We can decide to change this to, okay, let's start from this. If the start again is to change the position of the pie, the sweep again is to adjust the pie, and this is to uh, ratio either 100, this or this. I think let's just stick to um let's use 45 percentage. So then after this we create another one. Let's create three. Just use Control D, duplicate, and then move. Once you duplicate, rather, just use sweep to move this. Then use your start to adjust it, and so this is, let it start from here. So we use sweep now to reduce the size. Sorry, we use sweep to reduce the size, right? So we have something like this. Perfect. So remember, you can also adjust it from here. So let's change the color now. So we'll be changing the color to something like this, right? So then let's do the last pie. Control D. We've duplicated this. So use sweep to increase the size, and it should end here. Then we use start to reduce it here and reduce the size here. So let's change the color here. I prefer to use something like this, right? So basically we have this. So we have three shapes now. You come to the right, to this side here, you see under pie chart tutorial here, we have shape 1, shape 2, shape 3. So use shift, click on this, press shift on your keyboard here, and Control G to group this. So we've grouped this now. Good. So now we have our pie charts. So I'm going to do another type of pie chart. You can add your label, anything you want to, you can write on it. So your choice, your preference. So I'm going to use another type, the second type of pie chart. So I'll come here, as I said earlier, I already have the pie chart shape here. So I'll just pick it and I'll draw the shape. And okay, so let's use the same 100. We used height 100, right? So then, okay, I think we didn't use up to 100. Let's use 50. Let's use 50 this time around. Or let's go with 100. Yeah, so we have 100 here. So this is, as I said earlier, this is the arc. So um, reduce our arc. How do you do that? Let me go back. You come here, you right click, you you right click, then come here, then we have it here. Then once you have something like this, see it here. So you use your ratio. I want this time around, I want my ratio to be let's use 90 degree, 90 percentage. Yeah. So the higher the ratio, the smaller it is, the bigger the ratio, the bigger it is. I hope you got that. So now this is 50. I want to, this is sweep. Remember, sweep is to reduce the size. Start is the starting point. I don't want it to start from here. I think it should start from here. So then I want to change the color. Coming here, let's use this. And I think I'll prefer to use, okay, let's put the color here. I think this is not bad. So then from here, let's use the radius. This is called corner radius. So the radius, let's use 16 as radius, or we could use 24 radius. Good. So having used 24 radius here, so let's control the duplicate and sweep here as well. Um, we might as well reduce this. Remember, sweep is to reduce. Then starting point should start from here, and let us increase it with sweep. Remember, you have preference to use this place, but I prefer using this. Hey, I feel it's more easy and faster. So let's change the color here to, okay, let's use color blue. Right, I think this is fantastic. So this goes, right? So yes, so you can just play around this pie. We can decide to increase the pie size to um 70. You can decide to increase to 30. So I think we should use 80. I prefer 80. Then please do not forget to group this. So now another thing you can decide to do is you can decide to add stroke here. So you can decorate as much as you want. You can decide to use color picker to pick this. See, so or we can decide to make it color white, which is FFFF. So I mean, just do something nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, and turn on your post notification to see more beautiful videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.